welcome back to another video. And today, I'm gonna be doing some things with my brother.
No, you're not.
Oh, never mind. He has to go. But I do have something cool for you guys. My new fidget spinner.
The next thing.
So, yeah, this is my new fidget spinner. I got it at CVS, and let me show you something. This is incorrect. Sorry, yes. But I will get all my fidget spinners and stack them. Everybody, as you guys know, the record is 8 of these stacked on top of each other. Today we only have 4, but we're gonna try to stack 4. Cassie, do you mind if I borrow your fidget spinners? Okay. Then we have Then we have 5, and we're gonna go for 6. Today we're gonna go for 6 because we have a lot of different kinds here, so I don't think it's exactly gonna work. But we'll try. I mean, what's better than you can try? So I'm gonna just go ahead and start. Wait, actually, we do have 7.
No, that's so bad.
We have 7. My brother's new one. Here's my brother's new one. It's cool. It's like silver. So I'm gonna go ahead and start off with this. So I'm gonna get this so the best. You guys
I
can
only died like 3 times, and I'm in the 5th stage.
Okay, those are all my fidget spinners. Now I'm gonna put it here, and then once I'm done, I'll show you guys. So
This is mad.
Tell me what you want. That's what my brother's singing. That's really weird. I failed already. What you really Oh my gosh! Three. Did I just have 2? I'm sorry. That's 4. Yeah, that's 4. Now we're gonna go for 5. We had 6. We have 1 left. So I'm gonna have to end it here. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm sorry I couldn't stack them. Maybe I'll try again. And I will be doing the ice bucket challenge soon, but it's gonna have to be like I don't know, maybe tomorrow. I can't do it tomorrow. It's probably going to have to be next Sunday. So, through this week, I will be making some videos. Bye, guys.